Know the benefit of tea tree oil and what you are perfectly. Okay. Hello guys, you're highly welcome to my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching. If today's your first time of seeing my video, hello, my name is Becky. You're highly welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I have a beautiful remedy which I like to share with you guys today. The remedy works so well. If you are the type of person that you have a tag everywhere, you have tag neck, you have tag face, don't worry, the remedy I'm going to be sharing with you today is going to help you to get rid of the tag, and it will leave your neck or your face lovely. And the consistency is the key. You have to keep using this remedy, and this remedy works perfectly. I have one of my video that I make people testify as well. To get rid of tag is just logic and consistency, and you follow the structure step by step and you are going to see change. So this remedy will help you to feel it will help you to fade all the tag away. As cannot build a day is gradually you will see change. You'll be happy. You will come to my page and you will thank me. Please, if you are new to my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Click the red button and the notification button. If I have any remedy that is going to be benefit for you, you are going to be among of us. I will be showing you step by step how we're going to be using this remedy. So guys, we need the back of the lemon or lime. So you have to do it the way I'm doing it. I actually need the water from the back. That is what I need. So don't press it too much. If you press it too much, it's going to peel the back. So you need the water, the skin water, okay? Just press it a little bit like mine, like the way I'm doing. Follow my instruction, guys. So that's all we need. We need this. So, and you get the lime. We need lemon and lime. So you continue as well. So you need the skin of lemon and the skin of lime. So we're going to mix the water together, guys. So don't, just follow my instruction. This thing work. So we need the skin from the lime. That's it. So that's all we need. So we know that the lemons contain a lot of water than lime. So I go again to just get more water. So this have a lot of benefits, contain a lot of benefit. This will help you to get rid of the tag. You can also charge for this on internet, is there. So you need tea tree oil, 1 drop of tea tree oil. Okay guys, you need 2 to 3 drop of tea tree oil. So guys, so this is what you need, guys. So this will help you apply it as a cream. So you need the back of lime and the back of lemon. So this contain a lot of water. You will see more juice from this back of this one than this. Okay guys, so you want to squeeze the water. So it depends the amount of the tag you have. Please, this work perfectly. So if you don't use the skin of banana, use this. So you squeeze water out of this So you need the two together, then you apply it around the area. Just keep applying that way. And then if you have a tape, you see this, so apply it on top of it like that, and put tape around it. I can't find my tape or plaster or anything. Just tape it. So this have to be overnight, okay? So you leave this overnight. What this is going to do for you guys is going to soft the tag, and this tag, one day you're gonna wake up, you will never find it again. It will soft and filled. But if you use the banana skin, the banana skin might take long, but it will just perish. But this will make it soft and it will come off, okay? So use this almost every day. You need the water from the lemon, and you need the lime skin, because lime doesn't have a lot of water than this, have more water than this. So you need the water from here. If it's the skin also peel out, don't worry, just use it to cover the tag area, the mouth area, okay? This will demolish it, and consistency is the key. When you wake up the following day, you will see the fade. You will see that it's very soft. This worked perfectly, okay? So guys, the next ingredients we're going to be using garlic. We need 1 clove of garlic, and also we need onions. It could be red onions or the white one. I prefer this. So I've already sliced the one I'm going to be using. We need this, and we need garlic, okay? We need the inside of the garlic, so mind your hand. And you need plaster. You need to get a plaster for this. So if there are so many, don't worry, you get more plasters, and this will give it a go. This will just fade. This our home remedy, things we have in the kitchen that we can benefit with. So you rub this around the area, around the effect area, and you rub your onions now. So you now rub it. So let's say that's the place, and after that you just, so it depends amount of the tag you have, and you put more. So, and you just leave it that way. So this is going to be overnight as well. You leave it overnight, okay guys? And this will fade away as well. Guys, the next step, we need Manuka honey. Guys. Manuka work wonders. So you just need, it depends the amount of the things you have, the tag, the mold. So this will help you to perish it. There will be perish within. It's just a matter of time. So we need that. So every morning or at night when you are going, just rub it around. This will go inside, it will penetrate inside the tag area. So if you know that you are going to sleep at night, you just want the sweat, so all we are trying to do here is to generate it. So if you are going to be sleep at night with it, just put plaster as well, in order to generate it, to soft the area, okay? When you wake up in the morning, just remove the plaster. You use something like this, okay? So if you have a single one, by the time you wake up in the morning, this thing will be very soft. So you put this around the area until, if it's not, let it be very tight, and you leave it there. Just leave it for 5 hours, or normally I love doing it in the evening time. So when you put the Manuka honey, the next step is going to be a rubber band, or if you can see, a thread. So a thread, somebody can be pulling it with you, okay? So just leave it for 5 hours or overnight as well, okay? When you apply your Manuka honey in the morning, you wake up and that area will be very soft. And the next step, guys, you want to apply this, so you need rubber band and you just put it in the affected area. Some, if you are in Brazil, they will just be using it to pull it. So just leave it there for 5 hours, maybe for the following days. It's going, if you try the rubber band, this will get rid of it within that night. It depends how tight it is. If it's very tight before you wake up, it's going to fall off. You are going to see it in your bed. It's painful, but if you can bear the pain. And this, if it's a single tag, you ask for a friend or neighbor, you wrap it around. You have to close your eyes though. So somebody here, one person here, just pull it until you find that there's a blood coming, tiny bit blood, then you release it. By the time you use thread for 4-5 days, that will fall off with blood, okay? So you have a lot of options. So try either of all these options that I show you, but this work within, if you use rubber band, this work within 1 day. This work 1 day, not overnight. If you can really take heart, just wrap this around the tag. Ask your friend or yourself. You better have your, if you have your wife, let your wife pull it, and just 1, 2, 3, it work within 1 minute. And this one as well, if you can take a heart, just pull this, let it be very tight, very, very tight. Do it for 4 to 5 hours. It's going to come off. But if you are somebody that you can't bear pain, just leave it like that. So do it every evening for 5 to 3 hours. So one day you're going to see it will just fall out. So please, if this really helped you, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification button. In case if I have any remedy, you're gonna be among of the first people to be notified. Thank you so much for watching and stay blessed. Bye for now.